Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Booth. Today I am here with the continuation of practice paper, that is model paper. In my previous video we had completed till question number 33. Let us start the question number 34. Here answer the following question carries 4 marks. So here the question is, the cost of digging a well for the first meter is rupees 650 and rises by 100 for each succeeding meter. The total cost of digging is rupees 63,000. Find the depth of the well and also find the cost of digging a well for the last meter. What they have told, the cost of first meter, for example, cost of first meter, they have told it is rupees 650, that it goes on increasing, that means cost of second meter is 750, like that cost of third meter is 850, and it goes on. So let us see, we can write given 650, 750, 850, they are in AP because their difference is 100. So we can write cost of digging well is in AP. So I have solved here this problem. Let us see. So cost of digging a well are in AP. So the first meter is rupees 650 and D is nothing but 100. They have told now it rises by rupees 100 and the total cost is SN is equals to 63,000. Now find the depth of the well. Okay, let us see how many depth it is there. So let us see, SN is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 D. SN they have given total, sum they have given na 63,000, n by 2 as it is, 2 as it is, a value is 650 plus n minus 1 we don't know, D 100. So divide becomes multiply, so I have got here it has become multiply is equals to n, 652 is 1300 plus 100 into n, 100 n minus 100 ones are 100. So if we multiply into 2, 1,26,000 it is 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6, 2 6 are 12 is equals to n. 1300 minus 100 is 1200 plus 100 n. Okay. So now this 12600 as it is, n into 1200, 1200 n plus n into 100 n square, 100 n square, n into 100 n, 100 n square. Okay, let us write in a proper form, 100 n square plus 1200 n. This 126,000 I will bring here means minus is equal to 0. Now we can see divide by 100. If we divide by 100, this 100 upon 100 gone, n square. If I divide by this, 0 0 0 0 get cancelled, 12n, and here if we divide by 100, 1020, 1260 left. So here the equation becomes n square plus 12n minus 1260. Now we have to factorize this. So we know 1 into 1260 is 1260. So I have done the factors, prime factorization. So 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 0, 2 3 are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. Now see, we have to make two such group that when we add and subtract we should get 12n, right? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. One group, 3 5s are 15, 15, 3 5s are 15 and 15 sevens are, it is very big number, 105. It is not possible. So we can go for next number. 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30. Okay. Then 2 3s are 6, 6 sevens are 42. Yes, 42 minus 30 we get 12. So I have written n square as it is, 42n minus 30n minus 1260 as it is. Let us see what is common in this. N is common. So 1 n left plus n already taken common, so 42 remains. Here minus 30 common. So n as it is, minus I have taken common, so it becomes plus 30, 42 is 1260. So common bracket is n plus 42. What remains? N minus 30 is equals to 0. So n is equals to plus 42 if we bring this side, minus 42, and n is equals to minus 30 if we bring this side, 30. So we know that depth and all cannot be negative, so we should leave this. So n is equals to 30. So we got depth of the well is 30 meter. Now what they have told, find the cost of last meter. So the last meter is 30 meters. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d, and the last meter is a 30 is equals to a value 650 plus 30 minus 1 into d value is 100. 650 as it is, 30 minus 1 is 29 into 100. 650 as it is plus 29 into 100 is 2900. 2900 plus 650 we get 3550. So the cost of digging last meter is 3550. Let us see the next question. So next question is 4 years ago Samika's father's age was 9 times of her. First they are speaking about Samika's father. Okay. 8 years after her father age will be 3 times of her age. Find the present age. Okay. Let us write. Let the Samika's father present age. We can write present age be x and Samika's present age be y. Okay. So first I have written Samika's father. Why? Because in the question they have mentioned first Samika's father's age. So Samika's father's age is x and Samika's age is y. What they have told 4 years ago. Let us see 4 years ago. Ago is nothing but always we have to minus. After means we have to plus. So here 4 years ago. Samika's father age x minus 4. Ago means we should minus whatever they have told. And Samika's age y minus 4. According to the question what they are saying, Samika's father is 9 times of her age. So Samika's father age is x minus 4 is equals to 9 times of Samika's age y minus 4. Let us solve. X minus 4 as it is equals to 9 into y, 9y minus 9 4s are 36. X y term I will bring minus 9y is equals to minus 36 as it is. This minus 4 if we bring this side plus 4. X minus 9y is equals to minus plus minus 36 minus 4 is 32. Bigger number sign. So minus 32. Equation 1. Then in question what they have told, after 8 years, see 8 years after, her father will be 3 times of her age. So after 8 years, Samika's father age x plus 8. Why x plus 8? We have to add the age. Samika's age y plus 8. So after 8 years what they have told, Samika's father is thrice of her. That means thrice of Samika's. So x plus 8 is equals to 3 into y, 3y, 3 8s are 24. X after we should write y term. So plus 3y if I bring here minus 3y is equals to 24 as it is. Plus 8 if I bring this side minus 8. X minus 3y is equals to 24 minus 8 is 16. Equation 2. Now we have equation 1 and equation 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. We get. Let us solve. 1 I'll write x minus 9y is equals to minus 32. Then equation 2 x minus 3y is equals to 16. Here we can see both sign is plus, so we cannot eliminate. So we will change the sign minus. This minus becomes plus and this plus becomes minus. Eliminated. 1 minus 1 plus we have to do minus. 9 minus 3 is 6. Bigger number sign minus 6y. Both minus means we should do plus. So 36 plus 32 plus 16. 6, 7, 8, 48. But sign is minus. Minus 48. Minus minus got cancelled. Y is equals to 48 by 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 8s are 48. So y value we got 8. Now how we will get x value? Put y is equals to 8 in any one equation. So I can see equation 2 is easy. So I will take equation 2. We can put in equation 1 also. X minus 3y is equals to 16. X we don't know. 3. Y value we got 8 is equals to 16. X minus 8 3s are 24 is equals to 16. X is equals to 16 minus 24 if I bring this side plus 24. X is equals to 24 plus 6 is 40. Therefore, Samika's father's present age is x na, so we can write 40 years and Samika's age is y, right? We have assumed as y, so y is equals to 8 years. So this complete the question number 35. Let us see the question number 36 now. So question 36 is prove that a minus 1 minus 2, b minus 4 1, c minus 1 4 and d 2 1 are the vertices of square. They have told we have to prove this. Okay. Let us start. Given vertices are a minus 1 minus 2, b minus 4 1, c minus 1 4 and d 2 1. Let us check once. 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 1 minus 1 4 and 2 1. Okay. So let us start solving by using distance formula. A to b distance, then b to c distance, then c to d distance and then d to a distance. So first I have taken a points and b point and the distance formula is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First point x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, let us substitute x2 value minus 4. This formula minus x1 value is minus 1 whole square plus y2 1 formula minus y1 is minus 2 whole square. Okay, so AB is equals to root of minus 4 minus minus is plus 1 whole square plus 1 minus minus is plus whole square. Okay, so AB what we will get, let us see. 1 minus 1 plus is nothing but minus 3 minus 3 whole square, here 3 whole square. Now AB is equals to 3 square is nothing but 9, 9 plus 9 is root 18. So we got AB as root 18. Let us see next side BC. B point minus 4 comma 1 and C point minus 1 comma 4. Okay, C point. Now distance formula we know, this is x1, this is y1 and this is x2, this is y2. I know the formula, so I'll write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So I have substituted the value. Whose distance? BC distance. BC is equals to root of minus 1 as it is plus 4 whole square. 4 minus 1 is 3 square. Here BC is equals to plus minus minus. 4 minus 1 is 3 square. 3 square is 9 and 3 square is 9. Again BC also we got root 18. AB also we got root 18. Now we got BC also root 18. Let us see CD. C point minus 4, sorry minus 1 4 and D point is 2 1. Okay, so distance formula x1 y1 x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. CD distance root of 2 plus 1 minus minus is plus 1 whole square minus 3 whole square. CD is equals to 2 plus 1 3 square, 3 square is 9 and minus and square minus gone, 3 square is 9. So again we got CD is also root 18 unit. Next we will go for DA. D point, I'll write D point is 2 1 and A point is minus 1 minus 2. Okay, x1 y1 x2 y2. So D is equals to, what is the formula distance? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. DA distance now, root of, both minus means plus 3 square, here also both minus is plus. So now minus and square, minus gone, minus into minus plus 3 square 9, 3 square is 9. So again we got DA is also root 18. Here we can see we got all sides equal. AB 18 unit, BC 18 unit, CD 18 unit and also DA 18 unit. So we can say the given figure is square. But let us see whether diagonal is also equal. What we will get diagonal? A to C. If the diagonal is equal then it is a square. If diagonal is not equal then it cannot be a square. So let us see A and C point, D and B point. Okay, let us see about diagonal. A minus 1 minus 2 and C minus 1 4 and one more diagonal is D B minus 4 1 and D 2 1. Let us see both diagonals. Okay, x1 y1 x2 y2. D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So AC minus minus is plus 1 whole square minus 4 plus 2 whole square, because minus minus is plus. AC is equals to 1 minus 1 plus is 0 square plus minus 4 plus 2, 2 square, 2 square here. Here C point I have taken by mistake minus 4, it should be a 4 because you can see C point is minus 1 4. Okay, so here y2 value is x2 minus x1, y2 4 it is plus. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 square is nothing but AC value what we got, root 36, that is 6 unit. Okay, now let us see the BC. x1 y1 x2 y2. D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. BD is equals to root of 2 minus minus plus 4 whole square plus 0 square. So BD is equals to root of 2 plus 4 6 square plus 0 square and BD is equals to 6 square is root 36, that is 6 unit. Now here we can see here AB equal to BC equal to CD equals to DA. All four sides are equal and two diagonal AC equals to BD also equal. Therefore, we can see it is a square. Let us see the next question. Question number 37 here, and the question number 37 is nothing but graph. So here the graphs. Next question, solve graphically. 2x plus y is equals to 10, x plus y is equals to 6. Let us see. Question number 37. 2x plus y is equals to 10. One graph question, and x plus y is equals to 6. Now how we will solve this? Let us draw a small table for this equation x, y, and one more table for this equation x, y. So in an easy way, how we can solve this graph? Here x value 0 we will consider, and y value same thing here also 0 and 0. First let us solve this. If x is equals to 0, let us put in equation 2 into 0 plus y is equals to 10. So 2 zeros are 0, y is equals to 10. If x 0, what we got? Y 10. Let us see second, if y is equals to 0. 2x plus y place I'll write 0 is equals to 10. 2x is equals to 10 and x is equals to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So we got x is equals to 5. When y is equals to 0, x is equals to 5. Let us see here. If x is equals to 0, x 0, right? 0 plus y is equals to 6. So y is equals to 6. If y is equals to 0, x plus 0 is equals to 6. So x is equals to 6. Okay, we got these equations. Like in a table we got these values. So we will plot a graph now. What we got? X is equals to 0, y is equals to 10. So I'll put x is equals to 0, y is equals to 10. See, I'll show you here x 0, y 10. This is the point, first point. Then x 5, y 0. So I'll take x 5, y 0, this point. So we got first point here, and we have to draw the line now. So let us draw the line here to here, first graph. Okay, then next point is x 0, y 6. Okay, x 0, y 6, and x 6, y 0. So next point is this. So here we have to draw this way. So in this way we get the points. How to solve? X value we got 4 and y value we got 2. In this way we have to do the graph, and we should not forget to write the scale. Okay, let us see the last question of this question paper, that is state and prove Thales theorem. So here Thales theorem already I have explained in my previous video, but I'll just show you this Thales theorem here. Statement, and then it is given to prove, then it's a small construction to get the answer, and this is the proof part, where already I have explained this in my previous videos. So this is the Thales theorem. So this ends the first model paper. In my next video I am coming up with the next model paper. Do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.